So most of the woodland management we do in here is actually just access work, so it's keeping the paths open for the public to use. We do a lot of cutting back vegetation. Today we've put down stone to cover the wet patches, the muddy patches along the path. And we also do lots of site checks, so after storms we'll do a storm check, so we'll come in and we'll look at every single tree and make sure there's no damage to the tree. And there's no hanging branches that could be a danger to the public, and we deal with those.
Broadoak Woods is open to everyone. It's a site where there are lots of animals, wildlife, families come and visit, people walk their dogs. So please, if you come, there are bins at the entrances, take your rubbish and poo home with you, but please do come and enjoy the site. If there's anything that you see that might be dangerous or broken or overhanging trees, then just let us know and we can come along and fix those. So again, everyone is welcome to come and volunteer with us. We are here on Wednesdays and Thursdays, as well as at other sites in Connors Quay. You can come along, you can get as involved as you want. If you want to have a little bit of a go at things, that's fine. We don't expect you to come with any experience or tools or equipment. We just ask you to wear some sensible shoes. People volunteer for different reasons, so people come for just to be in wildlife, they come to chat and be social, they come to exercise and do physical work, or they just come to take pictures and enjoy the area. So like I said, yeah, everyone is welcome. We've got a really nice group of friendly people that volunteer.